Good morning, guys. We're back with the Among Us figures. Clean that bit out there. Those bits go in there.
Hi guys, I'm printing some more Among Us figures. So this one's a ghost apparently. I don't play the game myself, although I've seen it. That's his visor or whatever got going there. Need to trim it a little bit. There's a few rough edges from the print. That goes in there one way or the other. Not sure if there's a top and a bottom or not. Doesn't seem to make any difference. So that's that one. Then the other one apparently is the impostor. And he comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces that I need to clean up. I think you can work out those bits go together. That's his backpack. That's his eye. And that's his tongue. I've got to tidy that up a bit, and then that sticks out of there somewhere. Obviously you could paint them all up. And it's probably easier to paint that before you glue it, to be honest. But I don't think I'll be painting it. Not sure whether to glue it together or not, or leave it like that, and the person I'm going to give it to can choose whether they want to paint it or not. That might be the best thing to do. I'll clean up the really rough edges, and they can decide what they want to do with it. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.